नागार्जुन संग दिख रहे हैं धनुष। तेलुगु फिल्म स्टार तमिल फिल्म स्टार के साथ और संग है पैन इंडियन फिल्म की हीरोइन रश्मिका मंदाना। ये नजारे हैं पैन इंडियन फिल्म कुबेरा के नए सॉन्ग लॉन्च की, जहां पर हैदराबाद, चेन्नई और मुंबई के सितारे एक साथ जमा हुए। नागार्जुन, धनुष और रश्मिका के अलावा और दिलीप ताहिल का भी एक मेजर रोल है। इस फिल्म में म्यूजिक दिया है डीएसपी यानी देवी श्री प्रसाद ने, जो इस वक्त के पॉपुलर म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर है। तो पेश है कुबेरा के म्यूजिक लॉन्च के खास पल, जहां पर नागार्जुन, धनुष और रश्मिका का जादू देखने को मिला। चाहे एनिमल हो, चाहे पुष्पा 1 या 2 हो या फिर हो छावा, रश्मिका मंदाना है बॉलीवुड की पैन इंडियन अभिनेत्री जिन्होंने हिट फिल्में न सिर्फ हिंदी में दी हैं बल्कि तेलुगु और तमिल में भी दी है। रश्मिका अब एक अलग सिंपल गर्ल नेक्स्ट डोर अंदाज में दिखने वाली अपनी नई फिल्म कुबेर में, जहां पर वो पहली बार धनुष के साथ दिखेंगी। नागार्जुन के साथ तो वो पहले काम कर चुकी हैं, लेकिन धनुष के साथ रश्मिका मंदाना का ये अंदाज काफी अलग है। रश्मिका पहुंची मुंबई में अपनी फिल्म कुबेरा के म्यूजिक लॉन्च पे, जहाँ पर उनका खास अंदाज नजर आया और वहाँ पर उन्होंने अपनी दिल की बातें और अपनी नई फिल्म कुबेर के इस खास लुक और स्वैग के बारे में मुंबई वासियों के साथ शेयर किए अपने अनुभव। लेकिन अभी भी उनकी हिंदी जरा मिक्स्ड है।
But I feel like I honestly have just started because I don't know what this whole number one situation is, because we're doing films in the South, we're doing films in Bollywood. Yeah. So I don't know what this race is about, but I know for sure that I'm just starting. இங்க வந்து தமிழ்ல பேசுனேன்னா the Hindi media will be like, what, we don't understand anything. So okay வா உங்களுக்கு? I think basically I wanted to work with Shekhar sir, and I wanted to work with Dhanush sir and Nag sir. Like, we have this entire, like, we've baked this cake and we have put a icing on the cake, and now we have a cherry on the cake. So it's going to be a full-on delicacy by the time the film releases. Some days you will have to be Geetanjali, some days you have to be Srivalli, some days you have to be Maharani Yesubai, and some days you have to be her. I think, you know, I'm someone who like fully surrenders to my directors, and that is the beauty of it, kyunki like directors, each directors have their own flavor, so isliye I'll, you know, somehow sort of get to play such variety of characters. And she is extremely different. She is as in, I can't reveal too much, but it's going to be a very, very exciting and a different character. This is the second time I've gotten this opportunity to work with Nag sir, and every time I spend this little time that I get with him, it's just, I'm so fascinated by how he just is. Wow. You know, he's effortless, he's just being him. You know, I was just telling sir that sir happened to watch the film. Of course, all of us get to watch it when we dub the film. But the second sir complimented me for my character in the film, I was just like, guys, this is done. I am happy. I am happy with this, you know. So that was really special. See, sir is like, he does everything under the sun in the most effortless way. And he will be the Kubera of everything he does. And he will make all of us want to work 10, 12, 100 times extra to be at least like 10% as good as him. We generally happen to get songs which is, you know, when a boy is heartbroken and all of that, you have like, you know, fun take on sad songs. You have male perspective on songs, but this is a female perspective, fun take on a heartbreak.
Whoa.
Did that describe it enough?
Yes.
Now I'm going to see a lot of reels on this, guys. You better make reels on this. being in the dump yard for like 6 hours.
Whoa.
The high point of me as an actor in Kubera. Because actually, ma'am, as in like Dhanu sir said, it has somehow like gotten us back to our roots. It was like an eye opener, you know, this film in a way. But also getting this privilege to work in this film, work with this character, and also Shekhar Kamala sir has a way of always getting their actors to real locations. They don't like put up a set and all of that. So we were actually like doing, I don't know if I can say this, but gorilla shoots.
Yeah.
Can we? Okay, I got. Yeah, now it's done. So, you know, you guys, I'm sure you guys are aware of what gorilla shoot is. So we were holding the camera and running around like the whole day, and we were like, okay, get into the car. Okay, get out of the car. Now we got to get this shot. And we didn't even see the monitor. We didn't even know what we were going for. But the master of it all was Shekhar sir. And getting to work with him, I think all of us have really like given it in for this film.
साल 2024 रश्मिका के लिए काफी इंटरेस्टिंग रहा और 2025 में भी उनको छावा से सक्सेस देखने को मिली। उम्मीद है कुबेरा से भी रश्मिका एक बार फिर से सबके दिलों पर छाए। मुंबई से ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट। मिले हैदराबाद के सुपरस्टार नागार्जुन से, जिन्होंने हिंदी फिल्मों में शिवा से एंट्री ली थी। उसके बाद ढेर सारी हिंदी फिल्मों में काम किया। इसके साथ इनकी तेलुगु फिल्में डब होकर पूरे इंडिया ने देखी। हाल ही में फिर से ससुर बने नागार्जुन मुंबई में आए थे फिल्म कुबेरा की म्यूजिक लॉन्च के लिए। यहाँ पर नागार्जुन ने रश्मिका मंदाना के साथ एक बार फिर से काम करने का एक्सपीरियंस, धनुष के साथ काम करने का एक्सपीरियंस और अपनी नई फिल्म कुबेरा के बारे में ढेर सारी बातें की। तो आइए करते हैं नागार्जुन से खास मुलाकात।
Bring the North Star and the South Star again. So anyway, but let me thank the audience from the north of Vindhyas. I thank you very much for accepting the films which are coming from Hyderabad, Chennai, Bengaluru, Cochin, all of. I'm so very happy you're seeing all the films that are being made in India. Just like we have been seeing all the films that have been made in India for a long time. I'm so happy you're seeing all of them and you're also appreciating our films. God bless and thank you very much. Mundu andarki namaskaram. Ellarakum vanakkam. Sabku namaskar. Ellarakum namaskara. How are you guys doing? All good. Thank you for the love and affection always. Whenever I come here, it's been shown, starting from the airport to the hotel to here. Always so much love and affection. They expect me to become Tufan and do this. Even now on the road, that's fantastic. Right from the beginning of my career, starting from Shiva or Kudagawa and Criminal and Zakam and Angare and other films. And also all my dub films have been accepted so well here in the North. So I'm so deeply appreciative about it. Gratitude to all of you. And this film, let me just talk about the film then.
Sure.
This film is very, very special to me. It came to me at one point of time where I was wondering what next to do, like you asked. What should I do next? I can't keep doing the same roles over and over again. And Shekhar Kamala, whom I wanted to work with for the last 15 years, he came to me and he said, would you like to do this role? And it was, I didn't even much ask what he was going to offer me. I said yes, because I know I've seen Shekhar Kamala's earlier films. He's a brilliant filmmaker, so real, so his sensibilities. And when he accepted, and then when I accepted, then the star cast came, and it was brilliant. It was all so very good. And then I got to play with the great Jim Saurabh. It was outstanding playing with him. My God, this man is impossible. I mean, he put me on my toes, and he was telling Telugu dialogues even better than me. You know, this man is so incredible. And Dalip Saab, we've known him for so long. I've known him for such a long time. It was great to work with him. And this girl, this girl is one powerhouse of talent. Come on, you see her, filmography in the last 3 years? This is just outstanding. None of us are 2,000, 3,000 crore guys. This is the one. This is the one who's beat all of us. So it's Rashmika, it was such a pleasure. I worked with you before, but this time after I saw the dubbing, when I saw the film, I just had to call you. I called you straight from the dubbing theater. She's brilliant in the film. She's going to make all of you laugh. Going to make you laugh so much. She's just so brilliant. She's spontaneous. There's something so nice about her. And Rashmika, I thank you for being in the film. And everybody else, whoever, there were 4 newcomers who were in the film who are not here. They were just brilliant. I thought, they told me they were all newcomers, and they picked them up. They were just outstanding. And leaving this aside, DSP, one of my favorite music directors, what music he's given for the film, the background score, the songs, though we are not lipping them, they just lift the film up completely. And I thank DSP. And right now I saw that Pippi Pippi Dum Dum song. When Rashmika said, is it good? I said, how can you forget Pippi Pippi Dum Dum? You cannot forget that. All these films, these are all meant to be Hindi films. After this, I have another film called Coolie. That is also going to be releasing in Hindi. And I have been working in Hindi films for so long. And especially, I think, I've worked in more of my South dubbed films into Hindi, which were appreciated quite a bit up here. And that's what they talk about, and now in the mainstream too. So it's fantastic. I never felt this difference. I never felt it.
जिस तरह नागार्जुन की फिल्मों को 90s में पसंद किया गया, उम्मीद है और अब तक नागार्जुन को लोग पसंद करते हैं, उम्मीद है कुबेरा से भी पूरा इंडिया नागार्जुन की फिल्मों को देखे और पसंद करे। मुंबई से ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट। मिलिए धनुष से, जो चेन्नई के सुपरस्टार है लेकिन मुंबई में है, क्योंकि इनकी नई फिल्म आ रही है कुबेरा। भले ही इन्हें हिंदी बोलनी ना आती हो, लेकिन हिंदी फिल्में इन्होंने ढेर सारी की है। शुरुआत हुई थी रांझना के साथ, उसके बाद कई फिल्में, लेकिन ये तमिलनाडु और चेन्नई में ज्यादा बिजी रहते हैं। अब इनकी एक नई पैन इंडिया फिल्म आ रही है, जहाँ पर इनके साथ है रश्मिका मंदाना और नागार्जुन। मुंबई में इस फिल्म के म्यूजिक लॉन्च के दौरान धनुष एक नए लुक और अंदाज में नजर आए। भाई फिल्म में वो एक भिखारी बने हैं और एक अलग ही किरदार है, जो अब तक उनकी किसी हिंदी, तमिल या भारतीय फिल्म में नहीं दिखा है। तो करते हैं धनुष से खास मुलाकात।
ஓம் நம சிவாய. எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். குட் ஆஃப்டர்நூன் எவ்ரிபடி. ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம், உங்களெல்லாம் பார்த்ததுல எனக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். எனக்காக இங்கே வந்திருக்கீங்க, எப்படி நன்றி சொல்கிறேனே தெரில. ரொம்ப நன்றி, வந்ததுக்கு ரொம்ப நன்றி. My sincere thanks to, I don't know Hindi. I can talk in English, little bit that too. Kindly adjust. Kubera is a very, very different film, very special film. This is not just another film or just another event. This is a very, very special film. Very close to my heart. I'm sure they agree with me. We had such fantastic experience shooting for this film, and some weird experience shooting for this film, shooting in dump yards and garbage trucks and stuff. And but you know, every experience teaches you something or the other, and we're very happy we worked with such a brilliant team, such a positive team. Um, you generally don't get to see me often. I don't come out often, but this film, I think, deserves to be promoted like this. It's a very special film. I did a lot of research, homework. I stood in the sun. All those are lies. I didn't do anything. So I just went there. I just had to follow my director. Shekhar sir was brilliant. He taught me like the nuances, what to do, how to do, the slang. So he made life very easy for me. It's a very different film, very different character from what I've played before. So I really enjoyed the challenge. I really enjoyed working this film. Me and Rashmika shot in a dump yard for about 7 hours. And Rashmika was fine. And I was, Rashmika, what is this? And Rashmika, sir, I can't smell anything. I still don't know. So many things like that. But it was not like, I read so many things that said it was a big challenge. We were there wearing masks and without masks, or we were there for 10. It was not that big a deal, actually. It was fine. But to see another part of the world, a side which you are not exposed to, you're always in your comfort zone where you're really comfortable, like you do only what's convenient, you know, you're protected. At least some of us are very protected. But I come from there. I come from very humble, rooted beginnings. Today I'm here by God's grace. I've seen that. To go back there, to see that world again, it was very enlightening and nostalgic. I'm very thankful to this film for so many reasons, but taking me back to my childhood as well is one of that. I'm just like a processor, computers. I don't do much of the hard work. You need data, right? My directors feed me the data. Most of the work, they do it. I just process it. I'm just a processor. All credits to the filmmakers I've worked with. Shekhar sir is a fantastic human being. You will not meet a person like him. So clean, so pure, and such a good-hearted man. I mean, you make a lot of films, you meet a lot of people, but it's when you meet like somebody like Shekhar Kamula is when you feel, the travel is worth it. So it's because of this man I did this film. He narrated me just 20 minutes. I loved his energy. I loved his positivity, his approach, his honesty towards making his films or as a human being. So Shekhar is a great person.